That'll help you guys out. Here we go. We have a 99 to 2004 F350, even a 250. This will solve the problem too. If it's you're having an issue with the cruise control, this is your cruise control cable. Follow it along, round back to here, your cruise control module right there. And then if you look carefully down in here where this cluster of wires is, that little greenish color there should be gold color, but that's copper, and it of course shouldn't be showing. So evidently the line there broke. The coating on it got bent, getting worked back and forth, vibration of the truck and so forth. So I'm going to take that wire, connect it back up again. Should get the cruise control working, and hopefully that'll help somebody that's got a cruise control problem too. There's some other issues it could be, like the brake switch, but mine's fine, and then I just solved the problem with that wire here. So anyway, hopefully this is a help for someone. Give us a like, subscribe, and hope you have a great day.